Jesus Christ is so sweet. You don't have to care about what people are talking about you. Let me tell you, you might be a man of God. And when you are given a microphone, you see a lady that you have seen with. You have to preach. She knows you. She knows your mind. She knows the body. She saw when you are broken. Your fellow pastors witness. They witness your downfall. And they say, by this, this man of God will never preach again. He is not qualified again. But this is the good thing. God will never destroy you. He will take you.